Every time you stream a video, send a message, or make a call, a whole web of invisible signals is working behind the scenes. But here's the catch. Running all that wireless magic takes a lot of energy. So here's a big question. What if the 6G of our mobile networks didn't just live on towers on the ground, but also in the sky, with drones, balloons, and even satellites helping out? That's exactly what a new research study explores. And today, we're breaking it down. Welcome back to the R&D Lab by Engisphere, where we turn real research papers into clear, engaging stories everyone can understand. Right now, mobile networks rely mostly on base stations, the towers you see around cities. They connect our devices, but they are also power-hungry. To save energy, engineers use something called cell switching. It's like turning off the lights in empty rooms. If a base station isn't needed, it can rest. But here's the problem. What if too many stations are off? Your signal could drop. This is where things get exciting. The research suggests adding non-terrestrial networks. That's a fancy way of saying connections that come from the sky. Imagine drones acting like flying Wi-Fi routers, solar-powered balloons floating high above us, and satellites covering entire regions. Together with the towers on the ground, they create a multi-tier 6G network. The beauty here is flexibility. If one part of the network is busy, another can help. Drones handle emergencies, balloons provide wide coverage for months, and satellites make sure even remote villages or disaster zones stay connected. And to make it all run smoothly, artificial intelligence steps in. AI can predict where people will move, compress heavy data, and choose the best layer, ground, drone, balloon, or satellite, for your connection. Pretty smart, right? So what does this mean for us? It means future networks won't just be about speed. They'll be about being green, global, and adaptable. Networks that save energy, reach everyone, and respond in real time. But let me leave you with this. As we move towards 6G, how comfortable are we with the idea that the internet of the future won't just be around us? It will also be above us. This has been the R&D Lab. Stay curious and visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts.